Good morning, it's Bill Mascus with MarineMax in Stuart. This morning I will show you this perfect condition 2023 Boston Whaler 330 Outrage. It's powered with twin 300 Mercury Verado V8s, forever blue, quite appropriate for the Abaco blue hull. The dive door is an awesome way to get on the boat. Large cockpit, plenty of space for fishing and sitting around. You have this opposing seating with a table that installs right in the middle. It has the 12-volt plugs for outriggers. For downriggers and electrical reels. Trash receptacle, 5-gallon bucket. Your live well, very large. Never used. The beach ladder on the back, but you also have a ladder that stores in the head that goes on the dive door. There's a cooler right underneath the seat, and also when you are not using it as a seat, it can convert to another table, handling area, cutting board, whatever you want to use it for. This is where your keys and your main switches are. You can have 3 people sit right next to each other, fully protected. Nice glass screens and the black acrylic. It's a joystick boat with the new binnacles and trim tabs. Electronics box and VHF right above with a remote control right over here, remote mic. Glove compartment with charging ports conveniently right over here. You have the electrically operated vent on the windshield and a windshield wiper and washer. All your basic switching right above, and the compass right in front of the helm, right in front of the captain. Premium JL audio. As you can tell, the boat has the premium color upholstery. The platform over here helps you get another 6 inches higher if you wish. Spacious head with a vacuum flush. There's the ladder I was telling you about that goes in the dive door. Cabinet space, sink. The sink can be converted also into a shower, and you do have storage both sides with a nice port moving to the bow. He has removed the cushions. The cushions are in absolutely perfect condition. You have a tremendous amount of storage right underneath here with the bow table, which fits right at the stainless steel fitting right in front of me. Large additional fish box right over here to the 2 that we saw on the back. More storage right in front and your anchor locker. The boat is equipped also with bow and stern shade, custom light bar, your radar, and the full enclosure. You can see the cabin support right on top. As I said, your large fish boxes on the back are right here on the floor. This concludes our short presentation for this awesome 2023 Boston Whaler 330 Outrage. It's Bill Mascus. I'll be pleased to answer all your questions at 203-808-5088. Thank you. Have a great day.